Cheats choc-cherry Pavlova stack. Start by making the poached cherries. Combine the cherries, sugar, orange juice, cinnamon and star anise in a saucepan over medium heat. Cook stirring occasionally for 5 to 7 minutes or until the sugar dissolves and the cherries are tender. Use a slotted spoon to transfer the cherries to a heatproof bowl. Then bring the syrup in the pan to a boil. Cook for 5 minutes or until the syrup thickens slightly, then set aside to cool. Next, use an electric mixer to beat the cream cheese and sugar in a bowl until well combined. Add melted chocolate and beat until just combined. Add the cream and beat until soft peaks form. To make the meringue stack, place one meringue nest on a serving plate. Spoon over 1/3 of the cream mixture and top with half the poached cherries. And then drizzle with a little syrup. Repeat layering with the remaining meringue nests, cream mixture, poached cherries and syrup. To finish, decorate with cherries, raspberries and blackberries, topping with some chocolate curls and finishing with a dusting of icing sugar. Try this impressive choc-cherry stack for an easy and delicious dessert for Christmas.